Hello everyone, my name is Rania Zara Bimra and I'm a 12th grade student at the British School New Delhi. When I'm not studying, I'm always looking for fun new ways to challenge myself, for example through competitions or extracurricular tests. And that's why I chose to do the USO IQ test, because I wanted to measure my intelligence on a basis other than academic performance. I feel as though grades are just one measure of a child's intelligence, but they don't tell you about a child's critical thinking skills or problem-solving abilities. Hence, I chose to take the test since it would not only provide me with a platform to test these abilities, but it would also give me a measure of my holistic intelligence. The test itself was very enjoyable. It featured many puzzles and mathematical problems, which encouraged me to think deeper about each and every question. The test was offered at a very good price and it was also very well timed, which allowed me to take it despite the rigor I face as a 12th grade student. I was able to achieve a score between the 90th and 99th percentile and got my scores immediately after the test. Getting such a high score was a huge surprise to me since, especially during the pandemic, I had seen a decrease in my grades. So not only did it act as motivation by reminding me of where my intelligence lies, but it also helps me with regards to college admissions. In the future, I wish to conduct more of USO's amazing tests, which not only boost my extracurriculars, but are also offered at very good prices and are plenty of fun to participate in. For all those listening, I highly recommend that you participate in USO's tests as well, since not only are they a great platform to test your abilities or knowledge on a subject, but scoring well can open so many doors for you in the future. I hope that everybody listening today decides to continue or begin participating in USO's fantastic tests, and I thank the USO team for their wonderful test. Thank you so much.
Good evening, respected sir and ma'am. My name is Manasvi from Standard 3 of Valley View School in Jamshedpur, Jharkhand. My principal's name is Mrs. Arvind Kumar. First of all, I would like to thank to USO for giving me this opportunity. Last year in 2020, I had appeared 4 tests: IT, Maths, GK and ABC2, in which my scores were 97%, 100% and 97% respectively. In IT, my USO national level rank was first, in Maths my rank was second, in GK my rank was third, and in ABC2 my rank was also third. Those tests were very helpful for me as I learned many things about it. USO is a great platform for all of us. It's boosted up my confidence level and encouraged me for the future exams. It is honored to me that I had achieved first, second and third position in national level. I would also like to thank to my principal ma'am, Mrs. Arvind Kumar, my coordinator sir, J. Ramesh sir, my teachers and my parents to support me. Thank you.
Good evening, I'm Gitansh Aditya from Bharatvar and I study in class 12th in Delhi Public School, Chanchkir Champa, Chhattisgarh. I'm currently preparing for IIT JEE examination and I want to become a software engineer. I participated in the 63rd UN Information Test and secured All India level 2nd rank. I also participated in the 70th General Knowledge Test and secured All India level 3rd rank. I acquired a lot of information about the United Nations organization, its working, their different branches like UNICEF, UNESCO, WHO, etc. The General Knowledge Test of USO opened the world for me. I got the chance to know the world, but I found that the more I know about it, the more it remains to be known. Although I am happy as I worked for it. These tests helped me a lot because they gave me a chance for self-evaluation. These tests also prepared me for the other competitive exams that I am likely to face in the near future. By securing the All India level ranks in these examinations of USO, I got the confidence that I can do well in other exams as well. I'm very thankful to USO for providing such an opportunity to me. I'm sure there are so many students who are going to get benefited by these USO exams in the future. Thank you.
Good afternoon all. I'm Farah from Chimya Vidyalaya Ernakulam, Kerala. Our teachers informed us about multiple extracurricular activities including tests, quizzes and puzzles. This is how I got to know about the Mensa IQ test. I was delighted to know about the test as I like doing puzzles and testing them. My parents and I immediately registered for the test. On the day of the test, I was excited but also nervous. The sample questions provided were stress breakers and gave a clear outlook of what lay ahead. Some questions were easy and were solved immediately. Some questions took time to figure out, but I did manage them. Some were tremendously hard and I had to depend on my guesswork to solve them. Overall, the Mensa IQ test was exciting, challenging, perplexing, yet fun to do. I express my sincere gratitude for giving me this opportunity to share my experience with the Mensa IQ test. Thank you.